So today's topic is kind of very mystical one, and also this topic is something which so many people have so much misconceptions about, and it's also something which I like very much. So yeah, today's topic is about why I choose to be a spiritual person, why I choose to follow this path of spirituality. So yeah, let's get to our topic. Welcome, I am Rituja, and this is my special space where I talk about spirituality, my journey of self discovery, yoga, and all the random stuff. And if you are interested in this content, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, before getting into the main part of the topic, I want to clear this thing first that spirituality has nothing to do with the religion. Personally, I choose not to follow any certain religion, and I'm a spiritual person. So, religion and spirituality are two very different things, so don't mix it up. I have heard this really simple explanation about the term of spirituality, and it's like there is this one who can see, and what you can see, it's differentiated. This is what you can see, and this is the one who can see. So spirituality is knowing the one who can see. I know, it's very beautiful. From childhood, we were taught about everything about the outer world, even the topic of human body. Our body, our bodies was introduced us in, I guess, in 9th or 10th standard, and we were never taught about how the mind works, how how to develop this thing, how to develop our inner personality, how to really boost our give a boost to our personality, our confidence, and just use all the potential that we have inside us. All of our school and college education is focused on getting the highest scores and grade, and then we get them, and then we get a job, and we then get into a routine. And when we get into this routine, we don't know what we are doing with our lives. I realize that the only glow up I need in my life is for my inner self. I wouldn't say it's mine because there is something even beyond mind, and I would choose to name it as inner self because I don't know what exactly the perfect term for that inner self is. So yeah, only glow up that I need in my life is for my inner self. And when the glow up of inner self starts, the outer self starts to glow itself. The power of mind, our soul, it's it's way beyond anyone can imagine. Recently, I have been so fascinated by these b-boys dance style. I mean, have you seen how they do the breaking? It's out of the mind. I mean, do they even have bones? It's like spring. They just, I don't know. It's so fascinating, and I'm so addicted to it right now. And actually, that watching that watching their dance routine actually inspired me to today's topic. Everything, just know this thing. Everything is energy, and energy is everything. And energy works on frequency. There are researches done, and it shows that we are actually filled with and surrounded by these vibrations. You might have seen this picture where they show us how different kind of energy we have in our body when we show certain behavior, or when we are in certain moods, and those are nothing but the effects of how the energy in our body in this is working, how it's affecting. We are actually filled with and surrounded by this vibrations of energy. And even the quantum physics, which was first studied by Niels Bohr and Max Planck, which tells us how atoms work, and So how does chemistry and biology work is also a very astonishingly related subject to spirituality, because we are nothing but energy, right? And we are also something where biology and chemistry work. This body, this physical body, is nothing but biology, and the mind, where all the chemical reaction are resulting into different kind of behaviors and moods, and nothing but a chemistry, right? In our brain. If your frequency high, you will be able to experience the life to its highest potential, and vice versa. That is, if your frequency is low, you won't be able to experience the life. It will be kind of negative. It's like when you are sad, the frequency is low, and when you are happy, the frequency is at the highest. I feel the fear or the taboo regarding the concept of spirituality is, or yoga, is because people have this thinking pattern in their mind that if you follow this path, you are supposed to leave behind everything. You become an ascetic, you restrain yourself from enjoying life. First of all, everything that I said just now is a total myth. The second thing is, it's always your choice. You choose what you want to do. Spirituality teaches you to realize what powers you have and how can you use them. If you want to deep dive into spirituality and also want to be out there winning every single game in your life, of course you can. There are innumerable examples of such people who are spiritual and also doing some great works in the physical, the 3D, what so many people call this as 3D dimension. And the third point is the so-called definition of enjoying life, right? It's all about perspective. A person who goes to temple, a person who goes to bar, a person who goes to gym, or person who does meditation at home, the sole purpose of doing these activities, these respective activities, excluding the physical outcome of it, is to feed your soul, is to have that sense of fulfillment. As I give this for example, there are many more numerous ways to have that feeling. Only question here is how you achieve it. What is your way of achieving that feeling of fulfillment? Most of the time we have this idea that attaining this spirituality will completely change your life overnight and some sort of magic will happen. But spirituality is not something you attain. Spirituality is the realization. The realization that it's all within you. It's just that you didn't know. So you have just realized that thing, and now you're empowered. As I have said in my earlier video that we have always been the better person that we want to become. It's just that we focus so much on the things that we want to become and want to accumulate, we forget that what we actually are. These both things, being better and being spiritual, are same. We have become so materialistic, outward looking, that we have forgotten the wonder that we are. It helps you. Spirituality helps you to motivate you in your life. It helps to start your day with love fill inside you. It helps to understand yourself. And what else do you need in your life if not understanding oneself? So if you like this video, then please like, share and comment your views in the comment section below. And for more such videos, stay tuned. Till then, see you.